Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Natalia, aka Natalia Fries. I'm starting a YouTube channel. I'm a photographer based in New Jersey, about 20 minutes from New York City. I shoot portraits and weddings, but I do all types of things like family parties, bridal showers, music events, everything. Here's some of my favorite work. So I'm starting a YouTube channel because on Instagram, people ask me questions about editing, gear, and just shooting tips in general. So I thought it would be a good idea to make a YouTube channel with videos talking about all that stuff so that I can help everyone out and just make things easier for everyone. Well, on this channel, I'm going to be covering tips and tricks for photographers, especially beginners, editing in Photoshop and Lightroom. I'll be doing some behind the scenes shoots, and then pretty much just whatever pops into my head. So if you guys have any suggestions for me, please feel free to comment on the bottom. Let me know what you'd like to see from this channel. Let me know if you have any questions or just anything in general about photography that I can help out with, and I'll make a video about it. So I figured that I should probably tell you guys a little bit about me so you're not just taking advice from some crazy random lady who claims that she's a photographer. I've been a photographer for about 2 years now. I started it while I was going to music school because I was doing headshots for people for fun. In a few months, my photography started to gain some recognition. I started posting on Instagram, people started really liking it, messaging me, asking me to shoot, and from there I just totally fell in love with photography. I shot my first wedding that summer, and I also fell in love with wedding photography. I've been doing that for like 2 years now. I've been traveling and shooting in all different places like California, Utah, New York City. I'm all of a sudden blanking. I'll probably make another video explaining my journey like in total, because this is pretty much just an introduction video. I probably should have prepared about what to talk about, but I didn't.
It's like this and like that and like this and it's like that and like.
Anyways, I hope that you guys will watch my videos and please give me some suggestions in the comments about what you'd like to see from me. You can follow my Instagram page. It's Natalia Fries, Natalia Fries, like French fries. Also, tomorrow I'm going to be posting my first tutorial on how to edit people out of a photo using Photoshop. So keep an eye out for it. Please let me know if you guys like that. Please watch it. Give me some suggestions on if it helped you, what you'd like to see from me next. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my videos, and please let me know what you want to see from my channel, and I'm looking forward to making new videos for everyone. Thanks for watching!